everyone, so in today's class we are going to learn how to make clay emojis. Here I am using air dry clay. You can even use super clay. As we already know, super clay comes in different vibrant colors so that even you don't have to add colors to it. But for air dry clay, adding color is must. After adding color, you have to knead it very well. While kneading, your hands will get little messier, but do not worry. Now for making emojis, we need 5 equal sizes of ball. Now take any kind of lid and press it out as the way I am doing in the video. As our base is ready, now it's time to add all those emotions. For that, here I am using black super clay. Make 2 equal size of tiny balls and add it as eyes. And for the mouth, make your clay as U shape and stick it to the base. For another emoji, make your clay flattened. Now with the help of clay tool, give this a goggle shape. And for the mouth, we will use the previous method. Moving to the third emoji, here I will make my eyes U shape with the help of clay tool. With the help of clay, I will add the big smile and also a naughty tongue. Do you know emoji is a Japanese word which has been adopted into English? So in Japanese, E means picture or image and moji is a character or letter, so it means picture character. In a simple word, emoji is nothing but expressing your emotions in a digital way. So next time whenever you use this emoji, remember this fact. And here I am making that hilarious face which we send whenever we feel that this video or text is very funny. Now add your mouth and also the tongue. Make sure while adding tongue, give this a good shape with the help of clay tool. Now for the last emoji, I will make 2 little hearts with the help of tool. These are basically our emoji's eyes. This is the emoji which represent whenever we feel so much happy by watching a video or a picture. Or also you can say that whenever we overwhelmed by somebody's beauty, we also use this kind of emojis. And this is the final look. And you know you can use this as a keychain or also as a brooch. Hope you enjoyed this video. So bye.